Want to know how to add UTM tags automatically to your social posts? Stick around, because I'm about to show you a quick, effective way to do this so you can start tracking your posts more efficiently and see exactly how your audience is engaging with your content. Adding UTM tags manually every time you post on social media can be time-consuming and error-prone. So, what if I told you there's an easy way to automate this process? That's what I'm going to walk you through today. First, let me tell you why UTM tags are so important. UTM tags allow you to track the performance of your links, whether it's on Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn, so you can see which posts are driving the most traffic to your website or landing page. By tracking UTM parameters, you can improve your social media strategy and make more informed decisions. Now, let's talk about automating this process. While there are many tools out there, after testing several of them, I've found the best option for automating UTM tag generation on social posts. Our software makes it super simple to set up automated UTM tagging for every post you share, saving you time and eliminating human error. To get started, you'll need to sign up for our software. I've linked to an exclusive free trial in the description below for you to follow along with this tutorial. This offer is available only to viewers of my channel, so make sure to grab it while you can. Once you're in, the first thing you'll do is integrate your social media accounts. This is where the magic happens. Our software connects with platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. After connecting your accounts, go to the settings section, where you'll find a UTM tagging option. Here, you can set up custom rules for your UTM tags. For example, you can define default parameters for the source, medium, campaign, and even the content. If you want to make sure every post from Facebook is tagged with Facebook as the source, or every link in an email is tagged with email, it's all customizable. Once you've set your parameters, just hit save. From now on, every post you share on social media will automatically have the UTM tags added. You don't have to worry about manually typing in these tags again. It's that easy. The software also lets you track and manage all your tagged links in one place. So, you can see exactly how your social media campaigns are performing across all platforms, all without lifting a finger after the initial setup. Now, I'm going to recap everything you need to know to start adding UTM tags automatically to your social posts. First, sign up for our software using the exclusive free trial link in the description below. Then, connect your social media accounts, set up your custom UTM tagging rules, and you're good to go. No more manual UTM tagging, and you'll have clear insight into your social media performance. The key takeaway from this video is automating UTM tagging will save you time, reduce errors, and help you track your social posts more accurately. Before you leave, make sure to grab the exclusive free trial in the description below if you want to follow along with the tutorial and start automating UTM tags for your social media posts today. Thanks for watching.